Okay, so I'm going to guide you through on how to get through your Canvas course, Parkour in the Parks Adventure Journeys. Once you log into your Canvas account, you'll go to the dashboard and you will click on that course, Parkour in the Parks Adventure Journeys. When you open it up, you're going to see the course survey, which if you have not filled it out, you can fill it out. Most students have already filled it out that are going to participate. Then you can go to the assignments page, and there is your module 1. So if you click on module 1, you'll have the story HTML that you will click on, that link, and then it gives you the class course. So it starts out on the first tab. It's a preview video, 8 skills that a leader and adventurer needs. And then once you get into the module, you've got the different tabs that start out with your intro. Then it goes into a Parkour in the Parks Adventure Challenge, Movement Challenge. Then it goes into your task at hand.
Your master leader awaits your adventurer bravery and courage to defeat enemy forces. You will be challenged to show your mental and physical abilities to overcome the forces of evil and save our universe. Get ready to show your superpowers.
Okay, so then when you go to the next tab after the intro, it tells you you're going to take a pre-assessment. You can click on the pre-assessment, and it's got a matching activity for you to do to see what you know about the concept, vocabulary, area, perimeter, formula for area, and formula for perimeter. Then there's another movement challenge. And then your first actual mental challenge is a measurement challenge that is done on VoiceThread. You can go through the VoiceThread on this actual module, and it gives you information and guides you through the challenge. It gives you the comprehension questions that you have to answer. And then there's a link that it tells you can click on, and from there you can actually open up the challenge activity in a Google Doc and utilize that Google Doc to complete the challenge before you actually respond on the VoiceThread. So this module is made up of 3 parkour movement challenges and then 3 mental challenges, a perimeter challenge, and an area challenge, which follow the same pattern as the measurement challenge. It gives you the information, gives you a guided document to guide you through answering the challenge, solving the challenge, and before you actually respond on the VoiceThread. And it gives you the link to open up the Google Doc so you can work on the Google Doc. And then your very last part of the module is a final assessment to assess whether you comprehended and understood all the skills. So there's a series of about 4 questions. And if you complete them successfully, then you complete the module. So that is how the module works on Canvas for Adventure Journeys Parkour in the Parks.